You all want to make your wishes come true, don't you? In this exploration, we dive deep into the law of identical harvest, a principle suggesting that the outcomes in your life are directly influenced by your actions and thoughts. We'll unravel how you can apply this law to manifest your deepest desires into reality. Let's start by clarifying what you truly want and examining the beliefs that either support or hinder your journey toward realizing these wishes. The first step in the journey of bringing any wish to reality under the law of identical harvest is to understand precisely what it is you desire. This might sound straightforward, yet many of us find ourselves chasing vague or ill-defined goals. Start by asking yourself, what do I truly want? This isn't just about material objects or achievements, it's about the essence of your aspirations. Is it peace, success, health, or relationships? Pinpointing this can sometimes be challenging, but it's crucial because clear intentions set the foundation for effective manifestation. To help refine your desires, take some time for introspection. Consider keeping a journal where you can express and explore your thoughts and feelings. This practice will not only aid in clarifying your desires, but also help you understand the motivations behind them. Knowing why you want something is as important as knowing what you want, because it connects your goals to deeper emotional and personal values. This connection is key to powerful manifestation as it aligns your desires with your true self, enhancing the congruence and energy you put into your goals. Once your desires are clear, the next critical step is examining and fortifying the foundation of your beliefs. Your beliefs are the bedrock upon which your reality is built. They can either be strong allies or formidable foes in your quest to bring your wishes to fruition. If your beliefs are not in harmony with your desires, it's like planting seeds in infertile soil. They will struggle to sprout and thrive. Begin by identifying any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. These are often hidden in the assumptions you make about yourself and the world. For example, if you desire a successful career but believe that opportunities are limited, this belief is at odds with your goal. To transform your reality, you must first transform these limiting beliefs into empowering ones. A practical way to shift your beliefs is through affirmation and evidence. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that, when repeated often, can help to overwrite old, limiting beliefs. For instance, changing the belief from "opportunities are limited" to "opportunities are abundant and I attract them easily" can gradually recalibrate your mindset to one of abundance and possibility. But affirmations are most effective when accompanied by action. Seek out stories or evidence that reinforce your new belief. Seeing real-world examples of abundance will strengthen your belief in the plentiful opportunities around you, even if these examples are generalized and not tied to specific individuals. In crafting your beliefs to support your desires, consistency is crucial. Regularly review and adjust your beliefs as you grow and as your desires evolve. This continuous alignment ensures that your foundation remains solid and supportive of your goals. Remember, the process of examining and reshaping your beliefs is ongoing. It evolves as you do. Transitioning from beliefs, the next pivotal area to address in your manifestation journey is emotional alignment. Your emotions play a significant role as indicators of how closely your internal state matches your desires. When your emotions are in sync with what you wish to manifest, they act like a magnet, drawing your aspirations into reality. Conversely, if you often feel doubt or fear regarding your goals, these emotions can act as barriers, preventing your desires from materializing. To cultivate emotional alignment, start by regularly checking in with your feelings. How do you feel when you think about your desires? Are you excited and hopeful, or anxious and doubtful? Use these emotional cues to gauge whether you're on the right path. If you discover negative emotions, view them as signals, guiding you to areas within your belief system that may still need adjustment. This awareness allows you to proactively work on aligning your emotions through mindful practices such as meditation or breathing exercises. These tools can help soothe anxiety and foster a positive emotional landscape where your desires can thrive. Additionally, nurturing positive emotions about your goals is crucial. Engage in activities that make you feel good and build an environment that supports positivity. This could be as simple as dedicating time to hobbies you love or surrounding yourself with supportive people. By maintaining a high vibrational state, you enhance your ability to attract the circumstances you desire. With your emotions aligned, we now explore the powerful tool of visualization. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of your desired outcome. It's not just about seeing the end result, but feeling and experiencing it as if it's already happened. This practice is essential because it helps to further solidify your desires and beliefs, making them more real and attainable in your mind's eye. To effectively use visualization, set aside a few quiet minutes each day to focus solely on your goals. Close your eyes and picture your desires as vividly as possible. Imagine not only the visual details, but also engage other senses. What sounds are present in this scenario? What smells? How does it feel to touch? Most importantly, immerse yourself in the emotions associated with your success. Joy, pride, satisfaction. Allow these feelings to fill you during your visualization practice. While practicing visualization, consistency is key. Make this a daily habit and each time strive to add more detail and depth to your mental imagery. The more real the visualization feels, the more effective it will be at helping you manifest your desires. Remember, visualization is not just daydreaming. It is an active manifestation tool that prepares your subconscious to recognize and seize the opportunities that will help you achieve your goals. Building upon visualization, affirmations serve as another crucial tool in the manifestation process. Affirmations are concise, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, aimed at reinforcing your desires and the belief in your ability to achieve them. These statements help keep your mind focused on your goals and align your subconscious with the outcomes you seek. To create effective affirmations, ensure that they are in the present tense, positive, and specific. For example, if your goal is financial abundance, an affirmation like, "I am financially prosperous and attract wealth effortlessly," is powerful. It's important to use affirmations that resonate with you personally, as this increases their impact on your mindset. Integrate affirmations into your daily routine. Repeat them aloud every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to sleep. This repetition not only reinforces your goals within your subconscious, but also keeps your mind focused and aligned throughout the day. Over time, these affirmations will help transform your inner dialogue, replacing doubt and negativity with confidence and optimism. While affirmations and visualization prepare the mental ground for manifesting your desires, taking inspired action is what plants the seeds in that fertile soil. Inspired action refers to steps taken towards your goals that feel natural and joyful rather than forced or burdensome. It involves recognizing and seizing opportunities as they arise, driven by a strong sense of purpose and alignment with your desires. To identify inspired action, listen closely to your intuition. Often, it will guide you towards activities that align with your goals. It might be as simple as attending a networking event, enrolling in a course, or reaching out to a potential mentor. These actions, although they may seem small, are powerful catalysts in the manifestation process. Keep a mindset of openness and flexibility, allowing yourself to follow paths that may not have been part of your initial plan, but feel right. Trust that each step you take is moving you closer to your desired outcome, even if the progress isn't immediately apparent. The key is to maintain a proactive attitude, ready to act when the right opportunities present themselves. Transitioning from taking inspired action, we now address the essential virtues of patience and understanding timing, both of which are crucial when working with the law of identical harvest. Manifesting your desires is not always immediate. It is a process that unfolds over time and often requires waiting for the right moments to present themselves. Patience is fundamental because it helps you maintain a positive outlook even when results aren't instantly visible. Understand that each step you take builds upon the previous one, and every effort contributes to the larger picture of your goal. During this waiting period, maintain your focus and continue to nourish your intentions with positive thoughts and actions. Timing, on the other hand, plays a critical role because it involves the alignment of external factors with your own preparedness. Sometimes, even if you feel ready for a particular outcome, the surrounding circumstances might need to catch up. Trusting in the timing of your life means believing that things will come to pass at the best possible moment. This trust prevents frustration and keeps you motivated and engaged in your practices of visualization, affirmations, and inspired action. Following the cultivation of patience is the practice of gratitude, which is immensely powerful in the manifestation process. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking in your life to the abundance that is already present. This shift not only improves your mood and overall outlook, but also vibrates at a high frequency, attracting more positive outcomes into your life. To integrate gratitude into your daily routine, start or end your day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. These can range from basic comforts to personal achievements or even challenges that have taught you valuable lessons. Expressing gratitude helps cement a positive mindset, which is crucial for manifesting your desires. Gratitude strengthens your emotional resilience, allowing you to navigate the highs and lows of the manifestation journey with a more balanced perspective. This practice keeps you grounded and centered, making you less likely to be swayed by temporary setbacks and more open to recognizing and appreciating the steps forward, no matter how small they might seem. It is essential to address the inevitability of setbacks during the manifestation process. Challenges and obstacles are a natural part of any pursuit, and how you respond to them greatly influences your success. The law of identical harvest is not about avoiding difficulties, but about using them as opportunities for growth and learning. When setbacks occur, the first step is to acknowledge them without judgment. Avoid the temptation to view these challenges as failures or signs that your desires are unattainable. Instead, see them as indicators pointing out areas where adjustments might be needed. Whether it's revisiting your beliefs, refining your goals, or realigning your actions, setbacks provide valuable feedback that helps you move forward more effectively. Stay focused on your intentions and maintain your practices of visualization, affirmations, and inspired action. Challenges can test your patience and resilience, but they also build strength and clarity. Use setbacks as a chance to reaffirm your commitment to your desires and remind yourself that persistence is a key ingredient in the manifestation process. Equally important is the practice of recognizing and celebrating your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledging your achievements reinforces a positive mindset and motivates you to continue on your path. The law of identical harvest thrives on the energy of gratitude and appreciation, so celebrating your wins is an integral part of maintaining momentum. Take time to reflect on the progress you've made and the milestones you've reached, whether it's completing a step toward your goal or noticing shifts in your mindset and emotions. Every success is a sign that your efforts are bearing fruit. Celebrating these moments strengthens your belief in the process and reinforces the energy of abundance in your life. Documenting your successes, perhaps in a journal, can be an effective way to stay motivated. This record serves as a reminder of what you've achieved and how far you've come, especially during moments when doubts might arise. Celebrate not only the outcome, but also the dedication and persistence that led to it, as this builds confidence and resilience for future manifestations. Bringing your wishes to reality through the law of identical harvest is a powerful process that requires clarity, belief, consistent action, and trust. As you apply these principles in your daily life, you align your inner world with your desires, creating a pathway for them to manifest. If this video resonated with you and provided valuable insights, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs this guidance, and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content.